men have because many parents more than the children. For example, 33 is smaller than 72. Building mass have we start from the last leaf node in that age over 2 minus 1 equals 3. 32 and 72. 31 is larger than 23, therefore no swap is needed. 17 is smaller than 63, and 63 is larger than 43, therefore we swap 63 with 43. Children of index 1, 31 and 51 is smaller than 72, therefore no swap. 72 is larger than 33, therefore there will be swap, and it is larger than 63. 31 and 53. 51 is larger than 32, therefore we will swap it. Here is a array sorting the heap sort using the heap. There are no mass heap. We will swap 60, 40, and swap to 100 have child of 40 and 55. The 198. 100 is larger than 98, therefore it will swap, and it will put at the end and swap with 25. 98 will swap with 4, therefore we will 975 8 will swap in 25, therefore it will swap 55 is larger than 46 and 25, therefore 55 is swapped with 25, and we will put in the third form to the third largest. 36 is larger than 40 and 4, therefore it will swap. 46 is the largest, so it will swap with 16 to isolate the larger. 40 is larger than 60, therefore it will swap. It will put at 25. 25 is larger than 60, therefore it will swap. Then we will put in the 4 and swap with 4 and continue the 40, 60, 46, 55, 98, and 100. 16 swap with 4 and 16 will put in the before 25 and 4 will put at the top. Here is some real-life example for heap and heap sort. For example, string handling. It depends on priority, hours, and deadline to compute the priority sort by the sort have sort.